I've been running with lightning feet. Na 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 na. Hear that thunderbolt following me. Na 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 na. Baby got wild on these same streets. Na 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 na. But I'm still running, nobody catch me. Na 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 na. Yeah, move with it. Da 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 da. Move with it, move with it. Da 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 da. Move with it, move with it. Da 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 da. Move with it, move with it. Da 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 da. Move with it, move with it. Da 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 da.
Thankful ako sa event na to, the Young Leaders Forum, kasi it gives us the platform para maparating namin yung mga concerns namin para sa improvement ng youth. And then, of course, para ma-improve din yung leadership ng mga youth natin, yung mga hinahawakan natin.
Nakikita na mayroon talagang safe space ang youth.
I feel like windows roll down new city streets and cabs. I feel like anything can happen, laughing. You take me right back when we were.
Thank you, MNDC.
Thank you for this wonderful event. Sana mas marami pang ganitong mga events para sa improvement ng mga kabataan.
Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new.
You develop resilience in one another, you develop deep relationships. Alam nyo ba na yun ang secret to happiness in life? Hindi yung mga success, hindi yung whatever award, hindi ganyan. But if you die and you have good relationships, that's a good life.
Sana gawin natin ang lahat na makakaya natin para maging maayos ang ating gobyerno. At makita natin yon sa mag-reflect yung maayos sa paggogobyerno sa buhay ng bawat isa sa atin. Maraming salamat.
Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new.
Sa atin pa lang, let us make the changes that we want to see, whether or not small or big changes yan. Huwag tayong tumigil, basically. Magparant pa tayo na nag-advocate ng mental health.
As a student leader, this event actually helped me realize a lot of new things that maybe I am capable of more.
As a first-time volunteer, it has helped me in my communication skills, especially in communicating with my peers and co-volunteers.
As a student leader, we must make sure that we will be serving the mandate that has been bestowed upon us by the students and make sure that all throughout our term, we'll be able to give them the quality service they deserve. Thank you, MNDC.
Thank you, MNDC!
Thank you, MNDC.
Thank you, MNDC! Thank you, MNDC!
Like when I close.
Gaano ba ito nag-represent sa values ko bilang isang youth leader who's wanting to create change yan?
Part of character building that can make you a really good leader is how you deal with your non-negotiables, how you deal with your values.
We're excited to call you our colleagues, and we're excited to fight the good fight with all of you.
Brand new.
I'm just happy to see everyone enjoying having fun, and learning today and tomorrow. So welcome to the first Metro Naga Development Council Young Leaders Forum. Thank you.